Hi, my name is Abby Verslues and I'm a peer minister. And my Jesse tree symbol is oil jug pouring on a crown. In 2 Samuel chapter 5, verses 1 through 5, it discusses David getting anointed king. All the tribes came up to David and said, "We are your bone and flesh," which is basically saying it is a familial bond between the two. The tribes also told David what Jesus said, "You are shepherd of my people Israel, and you are to be prince of all Israel." He was then anointed king and made a covenant with the elders, and then he reigned for about 40 years. While reflecting on this, all I could think about was baptism. While David was with his elders, we are also with our elders when we are baptized. Although we ourselves did not make a promise, our parents did. They made a promise to raise us and help us grow in the faith. We are to strive to be a good saint, just as David strived to be a good king for his kingdom. This Advent season, like King David, how can we fulfill our calling to be a saint? Jesus, please help us to guide others to heaven, just as David was called to do in his kingdom. Please continue to help us prepare and open our hearts for the coming of Jesus Christ. Amen.